Hey, Steve Dooley, your local real estate expert here, coming at you today from the northwest side of Tucson with a property tour. This is a fantastic house, and I just want you to get a peek inside. Let's go take a look. Okay, here we are in this beautiful northwest Tucson home. This home is 3,047 square feet. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom with an additional bonus room. So this is the view right when you get into the house. They have nice high 10-foot ceilings, and it is a split bedroom floor plan. So we're gonna start off to the left here, and you have a little entryway. You got a nice mud room here. People can take this flooring is it's actually tile that looks like wood, but it's actually ceramic tile. They got a nice closet in there. And then the garage is right out here. So we'll just poke our heads in there. So super nice garage. It's a full two-car, actually tandem garage. So I'll just poke my head around the corner. Yep. So you got all that extra space with the water heater in here. So fun fact about this house, it is one of those energy efficient newer homes. And I forgot to mention it was built in 2015. So everything's pretty much new. Water heater, and electric and everything else. So this is you got a sink here, laundry room with lots of cabinets. And again, this is 10-foot ceilings throughout. Lots of shelving, same flooring. So that's the laundry room, and just backing the truck up here. Right where we came through here, and then to the left we have the first guest bathroom. Sorry I'm in the shot there. But again, nice high ceilings. Everything's new as well. So back, that's the garage. Coming back to the front of the house, that's the front door here. And let's just pan back through the main area here. This is the living dining room, great room, and we'll get to the kitchen here in just a sec. I just kind of wanted to cruise through here to get to the left, which is your master suite. Got a shelf there, you can put something. So the bedrooms do have some carpet. Again, high ceilings with ceiling fans. And that's a nice king-size bed, so it fits very easily with your furniture and everything. And coming through here, you have your master bath. And this bathroom is large vanity there. Single sink, but you could easily upgrade that to a double. Walk-in shower and garden tub separate. Oh, my bad, I forgot. There is 2 sinks. So it's a separate his and hers vanity. So I'm guessing this would be his and that would be hers. Let's see what else. We got a nice closet behind the door here. Just a linen closet, pretty standard. And this door right here is to the actual toilet, so it's in its own little room, so you can go in and take care of business in private, which is nice. So very cool there. And there is a large walk-in closet right off the side of the bathroom here, next to his sink. We'll stick our heads in there real quick. They got all their stuff and everything, so I don't want to get into their personal items too much. But it is a large walk-in closet. Okay. Let's just get another shot of the bathroom. There's his stuff. And that's just how it looks. Looking outside. All right, let's step out here, back through the master. And this is your view out your master bedroom. Pretty beautiful. Pretty beautiful panoramic mountain view. And you got your pool right outside as well. So we'll we'll touch base back there in a minute. So let's go back through the great room. Saving the kitchen for last, so I'm just giving you a sneak preview of the kitchen. But I want to come through here to the other side of the house, and again, split floor plan. Through this hallway here, you have the 3 bedrooms and bonus room. So right off the main hall here, you have the bonus room, and you could have this as an office. They have it set up as kind of a gaming room, den, what have you. And this actually opens, this window here is out to the front of the building. You can see the neighbors across the street. But then you got a guest bathroom. So you got 1 bedroom, guest bath, 2 bedrooms, and then around the corner is the 3rd bedroom. So we'll just pan back, and that's just a regular linen closet. We'll step into the 1st bedroom here. Again, good sized room. And then this one has actually a big closet here. I just wanted to poke my head in there. Okay, and that's the walk-in closet in bedroom number 1. So let's head back out. Again, there's your bonus room, den, and we'll just poke our heads inside of this is the guest bathroom, the 2nd guest bathroom, but it's a full bathroom. Little sinks there, double vanity, and a nice shower tub back there. And we'll poke our head straight ahead to this bedroom here. This is the front of the house. Again, 10-foot ceilings throughout everything. And this one has just a standard closet, standard depth. Double door, just your standard double door closet, about 3 feet of depth. And then lastly, this is guest bedroom number 3, also in the front of the house. You can see the neighbors across the street over there. And that is one of the walk-in closets, like guest bedroom number 1. Okay, so that concludes the bedrooms on this wing of the home. Now, what you've all been waiting for, we're going to go take a look at the kitchen. So you have your great room area here, the large open space, and here is the kitchen. You have a huge island here, and you can see they have chairs there, like they're short bar stools, but that you can sit them right up to the island. And then you have like a breakfast area, breakfast nook right over here in the back of the house. So let's just take a look from the other side. These are all granite countertops. You have your dishwasher and cabinets right here. And then same on the other side. And this is an electric cooktop there. And there's space for your refrigerator, microwave, and dual oven convection. And then you do have a little, it's like a little office nook in here as well, which is kind of nice right off the kitchen. And just have the computer set up in there. And then just to the right of that, you have a huge walk-in pantry. You can see all the food. So I'm in the walk-in right now. I'm just gonna turn around. So that's the office there. And then back through the kitchen. Nice deep sink there. So let's go out back, check out some of the amazing features this house offers. This particular home actually sits on a really primary lot. There's the door into the master bedroom. So you have a covered patio to start with. So we are covered there. And then you have pavers and everything. Super low care landscaping. They got a trampoline here, but you got a wall to the neighbors there. And you literally have nothing behind you. So the HOA has bought this area and there will be no building there. And of course you have your fantastic must-have swimming pool here in Tucson, Arizona. But yeah, these views are just amazing. Panoramic mountain views from all around. And then right over here is your pool pump. They got a little shed and stuff. But pool pump and everything there. And then if we come across to the other end of the house, you have some turf there. And just around here, it's just a side yard with the gate out to the front. Hey, Steve Dooley here. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe our channel if you haven't done so already. And also, don't forget to download your free Tucson home buying guide. Check out the link in the comments below. Again, thanks for watching and keep watching our videos. We'll talk to you soon.